Right, hello, welcome to Sheringham, and I'm gonna have to speak up in this video because I'm on holiday today. I am on holiday, and I did not bring my mics because obviously I'm on holiday and I don't want to really record a video. But I think I kind of have to here because, as you see, behind me there is a steam train. Now, normally when I come to a heritage railway, I'm here for a steam train. I love steam trains. The steam is amazing. I love steam trains. Amazing traction type. So intricate, and to me a steam train is the closest a machine will ever come to being a living, breathing thing. I love steam trains, but I'm not here for a steam train today, and as I said, I'm gonna really have to try and speak up this video. Sorry if the audio quality isn't that good. I didn't bring my mics with me because obviously I wasn't expecting to record a video while on holiday. So I'm here today actually for the diesel they've got in service, for the diesel multiple unit they've got going up and down the line. And it's technically not even a multiple unit. Yeah, it's technically not even a train. This is what I think is the cutest little thing I have ever seen. And yes, it beats out the Stourbridge Shuttle by a mile. So I think without any further ado, let's go watch this train leave and wait for this adorable little critter to come scuttling into the platform, shall we? Right, and we're on the little rail bus. It's so cute, isn't it? It's so cute. Like, you saw the shot of it coming in. It's adorable. And the sat in here, it is so cute. You've got the front compartment, the back compartment. I've chosen the very, 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 very empty back compartment. It's just very nice. It's very nice and it's comfortable. The seats are very nice and comfortable. Good amount of padding. Obviously pretty freshly upholstered as well, so that's good. Nicely maintained. And yeah, it's just really, really, really cute. I have a soft spot for first gen DMUs, and this is about as cute as it gets. And I know this technically isn't even the first gen DMU. I'm pretty sure this is built in Germany, which is interesting. In terms of B-roll, we'll get a mix of B-roll from here and B-roll from there. Right, and yeah, I'm gonna have to speak up so you can hear me over the diesel engine, but basically there's been a line side fire just outside of Weybourne, so they're just doing shuttles up and down, which is why you can sort of which is why there might be like mix-ups in B-roll, because we are just doing shuttles up and down. But overall, the ride, while bumpy, is actually, I'd actually say it's a bit better than a CAF train, I'm not gonna lie. Seats really nice and springy, and they're well sprung, nicely upholstered, nice seats, good seats. And the train, it's just so cute, isn't it? It's such a cute train. Anyway, so yeah, that's a little update due to a line set fire. We're not going to halt, unfortunately, we're just going Weybourne back, Weybourne back, Weybourne back. So I'm just going to stay on the train, go Weybourne back, Weybourne back, Weybourne back. Right. Onwards to Weybourne. And so we're back at Sheringham. The train has stopped going back and forth after the Langside fire. It's near the end of the day, so they're just going to wrap it up. They're not going to take it a halt, so they're just going to wrap it up here. And yeah, the engine shut down there. But yeah, as you can see behind me, it's so small, it's so adorable. It is the cutest little thing I think I've ever seen. Like, don't get me wrong, the Stourbridge Shuttle is cute, but this is cuter. Like, come on, this is adorable. It's around 6 p.m, it's around the end of the day. They're probably going to move it later tonight, because today was its last day of operation on the North Norfolk before it heads home to the Ribble Valley Railway in Preston. And so if you want to go on this, don't go to the North Norfolk, but please do come to the North Norfolk. It's a lovely railway, but if you want to go on this specifically, it'll be at the Ribble Valley Railway in Preston. Found a train that can fit on Kelling Heath platform. Absolutely crazy, absolutely wild. What a train, what an absolute unit. Anyway, that's gonna do it for this very impromptu video. I'm gonna go grab something to eat now because I'm hungry, and I'll see you with Mike's next week. What is it?
It's the cutest train I've ever seen.